I saw several car builders and car lovers pulled up to the Rick Ross car show to showcase their amazing whips, and some of them were so amazing that they had to be awarded. These diamond keys are worth up to $130,000 each, as it come with all the necessary documents to prove its authenticity, and even has a barcode embedded on the key which can be scanned. The keys were made by Vobara, and Rick Ross called the winners to the stage to receive their keys. Let's check it out.
57 Freddie, my brother. Ricky Rose, we finna start it off like this. Hustler of the Year. This is actually my mother's favorite category. Hustler of the Year. And the winner goes to Midwest Rick. That's right, Midwest Rick. Get your key, man.
Make sure y'all following 57 Freddie on the gram. If you need something for your ragged car, call Freddie. He gonna get that. I'm talking about he's faster than got Amazon. He gonna.
Uh-oh. And the key goes to Curly Zink. Uh-oh. Boom. Curly Zink. Curly Zink.
Which one? For the trike? For the trike?
You better believe it. For the
57 Freddie exclusive. Jose. They call me Mr. Roberts. What up, you beast?
much love. Congratulations.
Let's take a picture. Stay right there, get your picture out. Get your photo out.
All the way from Cali,
right,
you already know I love it, nigga. I love it.
Stay right there, get your photo out.
Tweet, what it do?
What up, Tweet? LA.
Best car of the year.
Breathe up a speed up, Tweet. Breathe up a speed up, Tweet. The king of Chevy is here. Y'all check it out on the podcast too.
Of course, y'all know I'm sipping that little bit there. But this what everybody been talking about. Streets been mother talking. Dunk of the year. And the key goes to Stevie, I-95 Motorsports. Long live Vito. Street, much love, baby.
What your car at, nigga?
Salute, congratulations. Holla for him. That line dude. Vobara. The winners. The winners.
If you have stayed with me to this point of the video, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.